Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Xiaomi Mijia portable smart wireless switch for Xiaomi smart home. It is pretty small and you will probably have to wait more than a month for it to arrive. It just arrived in my mailbox. It's tiny so they can put it inside the mailbox, as you can see. So let's open it. As always, in the instruction manual in Chinese. Pretty hard to open. Okay. So here's the button itself. It's pretty tiny, as you can see. And what else do we have here? We have a sticker, so you can stick it onto a wall or somewhere. So this one is operated on CR2332 batteries. And you are able to control any of your smart devices with this one. So let's see how to install it. Okay, so let's try adding this button in MiHome app. We'll have to open the gateway. Gateway, let's just find gateway. Here it is. They rename it to Control Hub. Go to Device and add Child Device. And I think the first one here we see Mijia Wireless Switch, that's the one. So there is a very tiny hole on the right hand side, as you can see, and we need to press it. And it's connected successfully. So now we have to choose the location and go next and name it. And that's about it. Pretty easy, huh? Press and hold, as you can see. And it should also be able to register double click. So there are 3 actions that it recognizes. This is the old version of the button. The new version has only a single click, and this old version, which is almost the same, but it has a different design, has 3 actions, and that's why I bought this one. Okay, thanks for watching.